Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can create a Remitly account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. First thing first, make sure you have the Remitly downloaded and it's an updated version. Then tap on the Remitly app of yours and tap on create a new profile if you haven't created an account. Then once over here, go ahead, choose your country. Then again, from and now to your country, go ahead, choose the countries that you want to use it for. Tap on next, tap on continue for it to let the browser use. Now go ahead, your email address, your password, and you have to simply confirm your password. I'm gonna use my continue with Google because it contains my email, so it's easier for me to access. And go through the steps. You can do the same. You can also use your Apple ID per se. Tap on continue. Now go ahead, create yourself a password. Tap on done and tap on confirm. Once you have done that, your account will be created and you're good to go. That's basically how it works. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.